Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update app links verification for Android with Google step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Play console. Select the app for which you want to update the app links verification. Navigate to the App Integrities section in the left menu. Locate the App Links subsection. Take note of the current app link settings. Open a new tab and go to your website server. Create or update the digital asset links file. This file should be named assetlinks.json. Ensure the file is hosted at the following path: https://yourdomain.com/. In the assetlinks.json file, include the package name of your app. Ensure you also include the SHA-256 fingerprint of your app signing certificate. Validate the JSON syntax to avoid errors. Once the file is ready, ensure your server serves it with the correct MIME type. Now, return to the Google Play console. Revisit the App Links subsection in the App Integrity section. Click on the check button to verify the digital asset links file. Wait for the verification process to complete. Once verified, your app links should be updated successfully. Make sure to test the links on your device to confirm they open as expected. Proceed to monitor any future updates to ensure continued functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.